Hey, what's up guys, this is Adhere Garcia. Today I'm gonna give you an idea how to install a two-ply self-adhere system. Today I'm using the Fling Elastic self-adhere system, which is I use the nailable base, and then I'm using the self-adhere roll roofing on top. Usually you're supposed to use peeling sticks called peeling stick, but sometimes when it's cold it comes apart. For some reason you have to heat it up a little bit, so a lot of people use the heat gun. I use the torch to install it, so today I'm gonna show you how I do it. Well, I usually install it like I'm doing a two-ply. I usually put a little bit of flame, and as I roll it out, I step on the flame. So it takes a little time to do it, but you make sure that the roll it's adherent to the base. That's the main thing of the self-adhere, because if it doesn't adhere properly, with time it's gonna come apart, and at the end I burn the laps. In this case, I finished the flat roof, and then I installed the tiles on top of the wall. I did the walls, and prior to that I did the two-piece tile roof, and then after that I did the flat roof, but I did the tile first, and then I painted the pipes to match the color of the tile. Also, I use white mastic around the pipe flashings, and this is in progress. And when I finish, it looked like that. So it's a two-ply self-adhere system. It's called SA. A lot of people companies call it SA base system. So it looks like that. Thanks for watching.